Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
We're both here with Allure.
Yay! I don't even know how to open this. Like, no nails today. No nails ever when I need them. Where's a knife? Do we have a knife?
You
Be
can
right
check.
back. I was like, be right
I know.
back.
I do have somewhat nails, but not.
Ooh, I found
I'm like not
one
fake
for
nails.
her,
I have
one
real
for her,
nails,
and one
which
for
don't
her.
do me diddly any good. Okay.
I'm not
Slice
wearing
it open.
anything on my nails. And I know other people have already gotten their box. It's like, I feel like too late for us to show ours, but if you're still watching, thank you. And then there's this beautiful model facing us when you open the box. And she's so young. I was like, and then, ooh, all the goodies. I'm kind of excited. I don't know if I knew what I was getting in this
Did you
one.
open like any pages
Nope,
in it?
didn't
No.
show. Didn't show. It says refer a friend. Our friends are you guys.
I'm guessing these are the products that are in here. If I could be wrong.
And you want to start with just what's on top. We have Elf Poreless Putty Primer, Universal Sheer. I actually thought it was like, a powder. Oh man, I was so hoping for like a powder when I saw this. I have like 40 primers, so this is going in a giveaway for me. So that's good to know. Then there is Bliss's That's Incredipill. Cute spa strength glycolic resurfacing pads to smooth and brighten. I think, did we get something similar to this? I feel like I have at home, it's only like 3, but it's like something you wipe on your face after you've cleaned it and you, so may or may not keep it depending on, I still haven't used my other one yet. Then we have Tarte Reinforce of the Sea Color / Lipstick. I don't want lipstick, so it's going in a giveaway. I'm actually happy to put more of these in a giveaway.
In the color Berry Mojito.
Just
in case anybody wants to know.
I know, and if you're not giving yours away, are you going to put yours in the giveaway probably too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because we won't open it because of that. We don't want to like show it. If it's going to be in the giveaway, this is Freeze 224.
24/7.
I was going to say 247 Anti-Aging Eye Serum. And eye serums, you guys know I'm crazy about, so even if I have 50, I do want 50 more. So this I'll keep just because I've got such dry skin and stuff. And Vichy mask, am I reading that? Yep, clarifying charcoal mask. Yeah. I was like, am I reading that? I wonder if it's in French again. Familiar with
It says with kaolin and natural origin. Yeah, I'll put this in a giveaway. It looks like it's a really good product. I just don't use masks, as you guys know. Like I have a lot of masks and stuff, and the last thing is Clean Sweep Curology.
Says way more than a cleanser. It's an entire skincare set for free, if they say so, right? So that I'll probably keep because cleansers, serums, moisturizers, that's my kind of thing. Or powders and foundation. That's all I want. That's all I use, kind of. I have a lot of lipsticks, so I was like, what are you thinking that's weird that it says like...
One that says Curology.com/Allure on the product itself, on the box.
Yeah, so Allure's like part of it. But I like what we got. I don't know why other YouTubers might, I don't know, I felt differently or something. I don't know. I like what we got. But that was it for this video. If it was quick enough for you, give us that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're going to do another one as soon as this one ends that we're doing currently. Be a part of that. We'll put the link down below, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.